Hey there, and welcome back to Cosmic Crypto. In this video, we're going to be talking about Ravencoin, RVN. Let's go. Okay, welcome back to the channel. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, please go down and tap that subscribe button. Really appreciate that. While you're down there, you can hit the like button as well. Also, I got some affiliate links in the description. If you want to help support this channel, that's the best way to do so. Click on one of those affiliate links, sign up, get a bonus, I get a bonus, we both win. It's all good. And if you're not following me yet on Twitter, you can follow me over there. The description, or the link is in the description below. And you get some more up-to-date information on the charts that way. Okay, I'm going to start off actually on the 4 hour. I usually start off on the higher time frames, but the 4 hour is showing us something interesting here. So on my Twitter, I was saying, let's see if I still have it up here. Yeah, so on Twitter, I was saying that I thought we were in this descending wedge here. And it looks like we kind of still are, actually. So we've been just kind of going down, getting rejected, which would say that we've got a little ways for a breakout. And this is usually a bearish pattern, so we'll see what happens. But the breakout would be, you know, actually a couple days because of the 4 hour chart. But somebody had told me on Twitter that they thought we were in this falling channel here, which, you know, could be right. Looks pretty good to me. We've been holding this 786 line right here. And if you zoom out, we're also holding the support line, this white support line that we've been holding for quite some time now. So we're just waiting for a breakout or a breakdown, really, is what's going on here. So if you zoom into the 4 hour and you do a Fibonacci from the bottom to the top, you can see that we came down and tapped the 786 and we had to move to the upside, which is a good thing, because if you put a Fibonacci from the bottom here to the top here, you can see that we broke through the 786 and kept falling all the way down here. So we want to make sure that we hold this 786, which we did, and then we had a nice move up to the upside. Problem is I still don't see any volume coming in. The braid filter here is still not showing anything positive, and we're kind of just slowly moving up but sideways on the RSI, which isn't really the best either, and we're maintaining below the 50 line. So if you look at the RSI, we're just kind of going up, hitting the 50, coming down, hitting the 50, coming down, and so forth. And unless we can get above this 50 line and then find it as support on the RSI, I wouldn't say that we're getting a nice breakout move yet. So one thing that did happen, though, is we had this nice move up. We broke out of this falling channel here, and it looks like we are attempting to retest it right now. So hopefully what we're looking for is a retest right here, and then a move to the upside is what I'd hope to get in this situation. So my theory on this whole thing is, you know, that we're going to come up and break out of this long-term, let's go to the daily now, long-term triangle pattern here. But, and I had some ideas that, you know, you came down to the 786 previously back here, and we touched the 786, and then we shot up out of there. Now, actually, if you look over here on the daily, it did take quite a while after we tapped the 786. So on this move right here, we came back down, we tapped the 786, and then we just slowly worked our way up, finally made it up, and then we even came back down to to retest the 382 right there before we actually got a big move. We really needed to get above this 200 EMA on the 4 hour time frame in order to see any kind of real move out of there. So really what we did is we broke above the 200 EMA, and we had the move. So in our instance right now, in our situation right now, the 200 EMA is above the 618. It's right here. And so what we really want to see is a nice move on the daily is to get us up here, break above the 200 EMA, retest it, and then we can move on to the upside. And going back to the 4 hour time frame here, hopefully this is the start of something here, because we need to see some kind of volume coming in. We need this kind of volume back here. I mean, if you look at the volume, we were having lots of volume back here, and then we started going down, 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 and now we're at basically nothing, which is actually a good thing because, well, sort of. It can be a good thing because when you see volume decreasing, that usually can, and you're falling in some kind of a channel here. And actually we're not only in this channel, but we're also in this descending triangle, and we're also at support here from the 786 and the trendline support. So there's going to be some kind of a squeeze coming here pretty soon, hopefully, to get us out of here. And hopefully that's what we're seeing forming right now, is the retest of this downwards falling channel and then a move to the upside. Now we're also still getting rejected off the 20 EMA, which is the bottom of this red cloud. So, you know, we'll probably come up and we'll, if we do get a breakout, we'll hit the 100 EMA right here, possibly get rejected, and then come up and kind of dance around here. What you want to see is a stair step move. We want to go up, down, and that's kind of a bullish momentum move is what we're looking for. Anyway, so yeah, we are really just waiting. This is just a waiting game. We're waiting to see any kind of impulse. We did today see a decent move. And also Ethereum Classic, another coin that has been kind of going with Ravencoin, has kind of made a little move today as well. It's up 2% right now. It's a tiny move, but it's been sitting at $27 forever, so it finally jumped up a little bit. But also we need to see Bitcoin and the DXY. Bitcoin continue to go up and the DXY continue to go down. Actually, let's jump over the DXY really quick before we get going. Oh, it's perfect. So the DXY came down on the 4-hour, and I was calling the DXY up here for it to have a fall. Now, the DXY found some support on the 200 EMA, which it did back here as well. We never came back down to retest this channel line, but I am curious about a Fibonacci right here to see if we're... So the DXY right now, as you can see, came up to the 618, got heavily rejected right here with that big wick at the 618, and now it's just trying to get above the 382. But I do see the DXY continuing to fall. It never got back above the 50 on the RSI as well, so that's a good sign. And it's losing momentum on the braid filter as well. So I can see the DXY making a fall, coming back down to retest the bottom of this channel. And then we're just waiting. I think we're just waiting for that to happen. Once we start getting some more moves down, maybe Ravencoin will start making its move. But let's go back to this Ravencoin chart. Until then, let's just keep an eye on this. It's 12:30 in the morning where I'm at right now, so, and there's 36 minutes left to go on this candle. So what I'd really like to see is the next two candles stay above this yellow line here, and preferably break above the 20 EMA, which is what we keep getting rejected on right now. That's kind of the quick update I got for Ravencoin. If you like what you saw here, please subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, do all that other stuff. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor, just a dude on his computer. Talk to you later.